we know? Well, I don't know as much as some do, but this is supposed to be a sign that in Jesus' day, the early Christians, this is a sign that they carried so that people knew that they were Christians. And hopefully, the Romans and one thing and another that was persecuting them did not. You can get closer, kids, if you want. Okay. Okay, now hang on. Put your hand right on the iron. Okay. Now we're gonna. Usually we stick the point down first, one end or the other. So let's do this. Okay. Now we kind of rock it back the other way and get the tail. Okay, see that fire? Now we rock it a little bit this way and that way to make sure we get it all the way around. Then we pick it up.
Oh, that's cool.
Isn't it?